Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make crab claw fried rice, so let's start cooking. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. 2 large eggs, 1 medium onion diced, 8 ounces of crab claw meat, 3 green onions sliced in 1/8 inch in size. Here I'm using 3 cups of white rice. You can either use overnight rice or you can cook it 3 hours or 4 hours beforehand. On high heat, add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then add in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Then stir fry for 1 minute. Then add in your diced onions and stir fry for 2 minutes. Once the onions become slightly translucent, remove from pan. Add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then add in your rice. Using the spatula, break down your rice. Add your onions back in. Stir fry until the onions are fully incorporated with the rice. Add in your crab claw meat and making sure to break it apart before adding it into the rice. Then combine well. Now push the rice to one side. Add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then pour in your whisked eggs, just like this. Then scramble your eggs. Once the eggs are 90% cooked, combine the eggs with the rice, just like this. Then add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Add in 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Add in a few dashes of white pepper. Add in half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And stir fry for 3 minutes and combine all the ingredients well. Then add in your chopped green onions. Once the green onions have fully incorporated into the fried rice, it is ready to be served. And here you have it, simple and delicious crab claw fried rice. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.